Yo, what is up guys? Welcome to another video on my channel, and today I'll show you how to make a chessboard in Blender in basically under 3 minutes. So all you gotta do is delete those three and add a new cube. Once you're done, you can scale it down and scale it a little bit up. Cool. Once you do that, press tab to go to edit mode, go to face, select up here, select the top face, and now you can press I to insect the face to this size. It will be perfect. Okay, once you've done that, press E on your keyboard to extrude a little bit down so we can make the board a little more interesting. So once you do that, select the top face, go to material preview and make a new material. Don't forget to assign it as well. And now add an image. Once you add an image, put it to closest. You don't even have to do that at that time. You can do that after you add your image. And now all you gotta do, select the image you want. I'm gonna put this one in the comments, the link of it. And once you're done, you can see there are just 4 squares, but we want the whole board. So all you gotta do is go to UV editing, press G to move it in the middle, and then just press S to scale it, just like this, so it can look pretty cool. You can like always play with those colors. I'm just gonna raise the metallic one to like 0.7 or something. Cool. And now press tab to go to edit mode. Select this and press Ctrl I to invert select. Actually, before we add material for our border, we're gonna select these 4 edges by holding Shift and selecting them. Don't forget to hold Shift, and now we're gonna bevel them. Press Ctrl B on your keyboard and add some, cuts, just like this, and boom. So it can look a little bit more round. And now select all, deselect this. Oh my bad, I didn't select the face select. Okay. I'm gonna do this and now add a new material, and we're gonna be adding this time not a color or anything like that. We're gonna be adding a wave texture. Now we're gonna do this, increase the number on a scale, and we're gonna add some distortion. It looks pretty cool. We're gonna add some detail. It's pretty simple, but it's so effective. It looks pretty cool, honestly. Phase offset. And yeah, this is our chessboard. Thank you guys so much for watching, and don't forget to share, like, and subscribe, and also vote for Trump. I'm just kidding. Vote for whoever you want. And yeah, see you in the next video. Peace.